Hello.
Hi.
We have another recipe for you.
Yes, we are. This is another one of what I'm calling the cream cheese series, Fat Bomb. And I just had a thought. When our photographer takes a picture of this, is it a photo bomb?
It can be.
Oh, that was so corny.
It was so corny.
This is called the chocolate cheesecake Fat Bomb. Raspberry.
Wow.
Cheesecake.
Rich. It tastes a little like a donut. A jelly-filled donut.
Really?
Yeah, try it.
Well, I'll take this one.
Do you realize that at one time in college, I ate 12 donuts in one sitting? It was bad. I will never do that again. I mean, I could see like 9, but 12? That was a lot of donuts. Oh my God, it was terrible.
That's terrible. And why were you eating so many?
I don't know. I was a junk food junkie on steroids. So I liked donuts.
You were on steroids?
No, on steroids. That's an expression. A lot of donuts.
That's a lot of donuts. A dozen donuts. What kind of donuts?
Jelly-filled, you name it. Long Johns, all sorts of different types of.
He's from Wisconsin.
It's a Wisconsin thing.
Okay, good.
All right.
Well, look, these are really good. What I love about these is that it's such a strong, bright, clean berry flavor that, you know, some of them are a bit on the nutty side or just cheesy, and this is such a strong berry flavor. I think you're going to love it.
Awesome.
Okay, this is how to make it.